Today I'm showcasing the Kobalt 10-in-1 multi-tool, item number 0961326, which you can pick up at any Lowe's. It has 8 bits, a Phillips 1 and 2, straight or a flat blade that's 1/4 inch and a 3/16 inch. It also has a Torx 15 and 20. It also has an extension that's built into it. So I'll flip it over. You can see the back side of the packaging, and then I'll show you how it works. So here is the multi-tool closed. As you can see, there's a spot for a lanyard. You open it up like this and pop the bits up, and you can see how those are stored in there. It's really convenient. This measures roughly, grab a tape measure for you, about 8.5 inches long. You can take off this extension, although it's quite difficult. Pull it straight out, and you can have a shorter screwdriver if you need it. And let's pull these two out. If you pull out the two middle, you can use this as a bottle opener. So you stick the bottle in there and just pop it off. And then you can stick this back on. You can it only goes one way. Anyways, you can stick in and extend a bit in there. It does have the clip on the side, so you can stick it in your pocket. It's secure. Anyways, that's the Kobalt 10-in-1. Thanks for watching.